Okay, so for today we'll be doing a program, a C program that will take an a operator, take an input from the user, and as an output it will publish if the valid input is an operator or not. So in case of operator, what we have, mm, so as in operator, so we have two kinds of operator, that is arithmetic operator, and also we have another kind, that is logical operator. Now in case of arithmetic operators, we know the operators are like plus, minus, then multiplication, division, and another one is the modulus. Okay, so we have these five basic arithmetic operators, and in case of logical operators, we have like smaller than, greater than, then we have equal to, and then we have smaller than or equal to. Sorry, let me just write it in the next line. Okay. So otherwise we have like smaller than equal to, or we have greater than equal to. Then also we have another one, that is not equal to. So these are the basic logical operators. Now, apart from these all operators, we have and or operator also. Logical, in case of logical operator, we have and, or we have logical or. And another one, that is the arithmetic assignment operator. So assignment operators, when we're talking about equal to, only equal to symbol, that is assignment operator. So for example, if I say um, a is equal to 5, if I declare like this, then here actually it is working as an assignment operator. That is, I am assigning a value. The value 5 is assigned to the variable a. But when I'm talking, suppose if a is equal to b, so when I'm giving a condition, that becomes a logical operator to compare the equal to. So in that case, I will call this operator as equal to. So today we'll do the program. What task this program will perform? The program will take simple input from the user, and it will declare from the user input which operator are being used. And if there is no operator input given as input, it must print like an error or something, that this is not an operator. So to do this, let's start with the programming. Okay. So first thing first, I got created a new file. Let's save it as operator declare. So I've given it as a operator declare. This is my file name. Now I type here the motive of my program: to identify or not identify, I'll say to validate an operator. Author. Okay. So you will type all these details. It's fine. Now let's start with the program. So first line first, include stdus. Now the main function. So in the main function, first thing we'll take the input from the user. Now for the input, I'll not take one variable. Okay, I'll have to take two variable, because when I'm talking about the equal to or not, equal to or greater than two thing, so I need minimum two space. So I'll be declaring an array of character, that is character is, which I'll be giving suppose the value 5, or you can give 2, it's fine, because there are no operators for greater than 5. Okay, so printf. Now let's tell the user to give the input. So I'll be giving enter your operator. Now, now I'll just get the value. So I'm using here get, or you can use scanf, it's up to you, both are correct. Now I'll use a switch statement, because there are different cases, so I cannot give only one if else condition, because I have to give several switch cases here. Switch, and here the condition is it will check each of the positions value here. Okay, now I'll start typing the case. So my first case here, if the first symbol is greater than. Now in case it is just greater than, it will print greater than, but if it is given the symbol greater than or equal to, then I have to print two things. So here I will break the conditions into other two if else. So I'll just give, for this case, if is and the first position, sorry, second position. Okay, so S0 must be greater than symbol, and S1, if the S1 position is equal to an equal sign, then it will print greater than or equal to. Okay, so in this line of statement, I am actually validating for particularly this portion. That is, the first place is taken as greater than, sorry, not this one, sorry, this one, second one. If the first position is taken by the greater than symbol and the second position is taken by an equal symbol, then this operator will print as equal to, sorry, greater than or equal to. Else, okay, so else it will simply print out as greater. So print, so now it will print greater than. So right after that, I will give a break statement, because in every case when the statement or when the condition for the switch case is over, you have to type break. Now first case is done. Now I'll take the second case where I'll do the same thing for the smaller than. So I'll not type everything again. I'm just copying this portion and I'll edit accordingly. So here, if the symbol is smaller than, and again the second one is equal, so it will print smaller than or equal to. Okay. Now next thing is, if it prints equal to, now I have to check if it is an equal to or assignment operator. So in that case, I'll again type the same thing but change it accordingly. So here the first symbol is equal. If the first symbol is equal and the last symbol is again equal, then I'll say it is simply equal to operator. Else, otherwise only the first thing. So otherwise it will be just assignment operator. Okay. Now I'll do it for the not equal to. So if I have, now the same case, for not we use this symbol. Sorry. For not we use this symbol. When we have this symbol at the beginning and at the end we have equal to, then it will be not equal to. Not equal to. Now if only this symbol exists, now if only this symbol exists, then it represents bitwise not. Bitwise not means when I'm talking about each bit, for each bit. So I'll tell bit not. When only singularly this symbol is used, it represents bitwise not operation. Okay. Okay, so next thing I'll do here, I'll give here logical and or operation. I'll check for those things. So first I'll check for the and operation thing. So if there is one and also there is another and, then I'll say it is logical and. But in case there is only one and, it will represent bitwise and. Okay. Now for the next case, I will be having logical or operation. So similarly, I will give here the symbol for or. Now if there are two bars like this, then it will be logical or. Otherwise, it will be bitwise or. Okay. So up to this is done. Now the next thing we have to do. So up to this, we are done with all the logical operators. Now I will give only for the arithmetic operators, the 5 arithmetic operator only. So in this case, I will type case. So if there is a plus symbol, it will simply print addition, then break, okay. So for plus symbol, next thing we have for minus symbol, I'll be writing subtraction. For multiplication, I'll give the multiplication symbol, and here I'll write multiplication. In case of division symbol, so I've given here division, sorry, SION. And lastly, we have the modulus symbol. Okay. So I have given all the possible conditions, all the possible cases are already given in this program. Now at the end, I'll give the default operation. So what if the user input matches none of the case? Okay, if it doesn't matches any of the case, then it will print that it is not a valid operator, or something like it is not an operator, include a valid operator like this. So here I'm giving a default statement. Okay, in case of default, I'll be printing sorry, not a valid operator, not an operator. Please input valid operator. Okay. So all the cases are given already. And lastly, return statement, that is return 0. Okay, so that's all I had to write for the conditions. Now let's save the program and sorry. Now save the program, let's run it. Let's hope that there is no error, because every time when I write a program, there must be an error. Yes, error found. The error was for the get. Okay, so it should be gets. Okay. So here is the output. Is the output visible to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So enter your operator. Now let's give an operator that is equal to So it is an assignment operator. Now let's type it for 2 lines of operator. Now smaller than, equal to, smaller than or equal to. Let's check another. Now let's type anything that is not an operator. So not an operator, please include a valid operator. Okay. So this, I think this was a very simple program. I think the simplest one till now. Any confusion up to this?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So in case of here, I have used gets, this getter method, because it's easier for me. I can declare in only one line. But in case of gets, you can also use the scanf. So in case of scanf, you have to again declare for this portion. Okay. So that's all for today. If there is a confusion, you can ask now. Anyone facing any confusion? Okay, cool. So I have found few students who gave assignment like this. They haven't given any assignments. They haven't wrote the program that was required for the questions. What they did, they only wrote the sample program I gave. Okay. So in the sample assignment, I only wrote a smaller code that is just hello world. So hello world was not your assignment. The people who submitted only hello world or they printed their own name, they didn't get good marks. Others, I guess, they have already got your marks, good marks.
ম্যাম শুধু হ্যালো ওয়ার্ল্ড আপনাকে অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট হিসেবে পাঠিয়ে দিছে ম্যাম?
এরকম আছে, আমি যে খুলে দেখাই এরকম অনেক আছে।
আল্লাহ,
এক দুইজন না, অনেক দেখছি এরকম। মানে কভার পেজ দিল, কভার পেজ দিয়ে হইতেছে উপরে শুধু এই হ্যালো ওয়ার্ল্ড প্রিন্ট করে পাঠিয়ে দিচ্ছে। মানে যেটা আমি ওই যে স্যাম্পল দিয়ে দিছিলাম আপনাদেরকে একটা, যে ইনপুট আউটপুট কিভাবে সাজায় লিখবেন, ওইটাই পাঠিয়ে দিচ্ছে আমাকে।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, আচ্ছা।
আচ্ছা, আমি ইয়ে নিয়ে নিতেছি অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স, তারিখ কত, 17। ওকে, সো কম্পাইলারের নেক্সট প্রোগ্রাম, মানে ফার্স্ট প্রোগ্রামটাই আসলে ডিফিকাল্ট, দ্য রেস্ট অফ দ্য প্রোগ্রামস আর অ্যাকচুয়ালি ইজিয়ার প্রোগ্রামস। ওকে
ম্যাম ওই যে আমরা যেটা সাবমিট করে দিছি মিড টাইম, ওইটা ম্যাম?
যেটা সাবমিট করছেন ওইটাই সবচেয়ে কঠিন ছিল, এরপর আর কোনো কঠিন প্রোগ্রাম নাই।
হ্যাঁ 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 হ্যাঁ, এইগুলো হিসেবে ওটা আসলেই কঠিন ছিল।
আর হচ্ছে আপনাদের ইয়া করানো হয়েছে কি, মানে কম্পাইলার ডিজাইন কি থিওরি আছে এবার আপনাদের?
ম্যাম আমার শুধু ল্যাব।
আচ্ছা, থিওরি আছে কাদের? থিওরি আছে এরকম কেউ আছেন?
ম্যাম আমার আছে। জি ম্যাডাম, আমাদের 42 ব্যাচের তো থিওরিও আছে, থিওরি প্লাস ল্যাব।
তাদের থিওরি আছে, আপনাদের মানে থিওরিতে কি ইয়া করানো হয়েছে, ওই যে পার্সার করানো হয়েছে, পার্সার এগুলো করাইছে, এলআর পার্সার? পার্সার করানো হয়েছে আপনাদের? পার্সার করানো হয়ে থাকে, তারপর আমি তাহলে পার্সারের কোড করাইতে পারবো নেক্সট টাইম। কিন্তু যদি আপনারা থিওরিতে পার্সার না করে থাকেন তাহলে তো আমি
না, আমাদের ওটা হয় নাই।
থিওরিতে কি কি করানো হয়েছে আপনাদের মানে এখন পর্যন্ত?
জিএফএ করানো হয়েছে।
হ্যাঁ,
জিএফএ,
ইএফএ। আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে, দেখা যাক নেক্সটটাতে কি করানো যায়। আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, সবাই ভালো থাকবেন। আর এটারটার কোড আমি আপলোড করে দিব, কনফিউশন থাকলে আবার ভিডিও দেখে নেবেন, সমস্যা নেই।
ওকে ম্যাম।